If you walk through a park in early spring, these are the birds you're most likely to hear. The blackbird is one of the finest singers in the UK, rich, fluty and unhurried, usually from the very top of a tree. If you hear something that sounds almost musical, it's probably this. The robin's song sounds thin and wiry, high, winding phrases with a slight melancholy feel. You'll hear them loudly singing from all over parks at the moment. Cold tit sounds similar to great tit, but higher and faster, a repeated "it's me, it's me, it's me, it's me," often coming from pine trees as they zip around. Greenfinch has a wheezy mixed up song that starts off tweet 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 and has a distinctive drawn out nasal note. Tree creeper has a very high pitched delicate descending call and song that's easy to miss if you're not listening out for it. They inevitably call a lot in the lead up to song, so listen out for that combo. And if you want to learn more about bird sounds, subscribe to my weekly newsletter via the link in my profile.